Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. You know who I am. Last night, I did Marry Me Chicken soup. Like I mentioned yesterday, Marry Me Chicken has taken a lot of forms in the last year or so, but I tried this soup recipe. Wasn't sure how it was all going to come together. Actually, it turns out very nice. I could have gone for a second bowl. I just decided no. It's very cheesy with the full 8 ounces of cream cheese plus, gobs of Parmesan and the pasta. It's not a heavy soup, don't get me wrong. It's just a very filling soup. It is very good. I will get it posted up this morning. And not to sound like the boy who cried wolf, I am doing fresh pasta today. It's got to be done today. Just saying. So it's fresh pasta, and I'm going to do a kind of a ground meat. Let me show you. All right, I got some hardware going. Flour's already measured out. Got the eggs, the semolina flour, the salt for the pasta. My work area is basically cleaned off. Today is garlic day. So that's why the food processor is out and ready to go. There's my marble rolling pin. And I have a combo of pork and beef ground. There's going to be peas, red onion, and I need to use up this red bell pepper. I'll only use half of it. And there's the garlic for garlic day. Some olive oil, some paprika, some oregano, and basil. We're keeping it really simple. Of course, kosher salt and black pepper. I promise, even though I'm super tired because I have not slept well in the last 2 nights, I don't sleep well anyway, but these last 2 nights I really haven't gotten any sleep, I am going to be making this fresh pasta. Mark my words. I do not want to be the guy who's been called the boy who cried pasta. All right. It's going to be a little warmer today. All right, I'm done playing with them. I need a cup of coffee. I've already had 3. So, on this Tuesday, hopefully you're having a Taco Tuesday or having a terrific Tuesday. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.